Do you want to fall asleep fast? On this episode of A Healthy Dose, we are going to reveal the military method to fall asleep in less than 2 minutes. Believe it or not, this is a skill that can be learned and perfected with just a little bit of practice. To fall asleep fast, you need to try out a few different techniques, but it is crucial to find out what works best for you. Some people find relaxation techniques or journaling exercises helpful, but others prefer reading before bed. You must experiment with different methods and identify what works best for your unique needs to achieve the desired results. It is imperative that you do whatever it takes to make yourself feel relaxed and sleepy. Creating an environment that is conducive to sleep is key to falling asleep within just a few minutes. So take charge and make sure that you create the ideal sleep environment for yourself. The military method for falling asleep in less than 2 minutes is an extremely effective deep muscle relaxation technique that has been utilized by the military for years to help troops fall asleep quickly and effortlessly. This method is straightforward and it can be done anywhere without the need for any equipment. To fall asleep using this method, you must follow the following steps. Step number 1. Get into a comfortable position. You can either lie down or sit up, but make sure that you are in a position where you can relax your body. Step number 2, shut your eyes. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Then start to relax every facial muscle gradually. You can begin with the muscles in your forehead and work your way downwards. Make sure to release all the tension, including the muscles in your mouth, tongue, cheeks, and jaw. Even your eyes should be relaxed. Step number 3, release any tension. First, get comfortable in your chair or bed by relaxing your neck and traps. Then, start at the top of your right arm. Progressively relax your biceps, forearms, and hands. Repeat on the opposite side. Remember to continue breathing deeply and slowly throughout the process. Step number 4, relax your chest as you exhale. This will be easy to do if you relax your shoulders and arms. Step number 5, your legs should be at ease. Start by relaxing your right thigh into the chair or bed, then repeat with your foot, ankle, and calf. Apply the same technique to your left leg. Step number 6, clear your thoughts. It can be challenging to quiet the mind, so try visualizing a calming scene like peacefully dozing in the dark. Repeat these steps until you feel a sense of relaxation and eventually fall asleep. Remember that consistency is key to mastering the military method. Practicing this method frequently will train your body to relax, even if it doesn't initially help you fall asleep more quickly. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on the video here.